expand y plus 6 square without showing workings. Solution. Now, y plus 6 square is the same thing as what? This is same thing as y plus 6 into bracket y plus 6. So if you want to expand this, the variable involved, the first term we have y, the second term we also have y. So we multiply y times y. That will give us y squared. Now, for us to get the middle term, what do? We are going to add the second term in the first binomial expression. We are going to add it with the second term in the second binomial expression. So this is 6 plus 6. Then we put the variable involved at the back. Then we also multiply the second term in the first binomial expression. We multiply by the second term in the second binomial expression. So what do we have? We have it to be y squared plus 12y plus 36. 6 times 6 is 36 and 6 plus 6 is 12. So the answer to the question is y squared plus 12y plus 36. Thank you.